Students, today our chapter is Motion and Time. It's class 7th chapter, chapter number 13. And in this video, we will learn that what is motion, types of motion, uniform motion, oscillation, oscillatory motion, and time periods. So let's begin. Now you will see that there are two cars on your screen, but they can't move. Okay. You will see the two cars are in rest position. Rest position means when the object doesn't move from their place. But when they move, they will comes in a motion. So let us discuss about motion. Let's start. Now you will see on your screen that the first picture doesn't move, so it mean it's in rest, but second picture move, so it's in motion. So the object doesn't move is known as rest, and the object move is known as motion. I hope you will understand what I am saying, and now let us talk about its definition. Now, motion is a changing of an object with respect to time. मोशन देखो क्या होता है, जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अपनी पोजीशन चेंज करता है. लाइक यू विल सी दिस कार अंडर दिस ब्लू कार continuously changes its position. You will see that this car was changing its position. When this car was changing its position, it means this car was in motion. When a man was changing its position, anything was changing its position, it means that thing was in motion. I hope you will understand what is motion. So let's talk about rest. Rest. A body is said to be at rest when it does not changing its position with respect to a time. Now you will see that this car was at rest because this was not changing its position. But in motion, we will see that this car was changing its position. When the object, a body is said to be at rest when it does not changing its motion. मतलब कि जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट रेस्ट पर होता है, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं चलता है, तो वो उसे कहते हैं हम रेस्ट. ओके, आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज रेस्ट. Let us discuss about slow and fast. You all know that what is the meaning of slow? That moves slowly. It's mean that it's in slow. It's in slow motion. And that move fast, it's in fast motion. You will see on your road that some vehicle move very slowly and some vehicle move very fastly. I hope you will understand what is slow and fast motion. You all know familiar with the word speed. A higher speed seems to indicate that given distance has been covered in a shorter distance, and lower speed seems to cover the distance in a longer distance. I'll give you one example that there are two cars, this distance is same, but first car move faster than the second car, and first car covered the distance quickly because the first car moved faster than the second car. I hope you will understand what is speed. It is the formula of speed. Let us discuss about uniform motion. With the speed of an object moving along a straight line with the constant speed is said to be in uniform motion. It's mean when any object is moving in a straight line with their constant speed, not changing its speed, it's said to be in uniform motion. When the any object not changing its motion, not changing its speed, and moving along a straight line, it means that it's object in a uniform motion. I hope you will understand what is uniform motion. Now let us talk about non-uniform motion. If the speed of an object moving along a straight line keep changing its motion, it's said to be in non-uniform motion. When the any object moving along a straight line but keeps changing its motion and keep changing its speed, so it's said to be in non-uniform motion, keep changing its direction, not move in a straight line, it's mean that object is in a non-uniform motion. I hope you will understand what is uniform motion and what is
Let us talk about
non-uniform
simple
motion.
pendulum. You will see on your screen that it is a simple pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of small metallic ball called bob. You will see that this small metallic ball is called bob, and from small metallic ball is hang is called string. By a perfectly stable and weightless string, मतलब कि जो ये स्ट्रिंग होता है इसमें बिल्कुल भी वेट नहीं होता, और जो ये बोब है इससे ये हैंग होती है, ठीक है. When the bob is at rest position in a straight line, we refer it as mean position. You will see on your screen that the bob is at mean position. This will not move. It is in a rest, not in motion. So we refer as a mean position. Are you understand what is mean position? When bob doesn't move, does not comes in motion, it's mean it's in rest. It's in mean position. Okay. Now you will see that this bob comes in a motion. When the bob is displaced from its mean position and then released, it being to the back and forth movement about its fixed position is called as periodic motion. Now let us discuss about periodic motion. You will see that it's a periodic motion. Periodic motion means in an equal interval of time repeats in a equal interval of time. Now you will see on your screen that this type of motion is called as to and fro motion or periodic motion. You will see here is 3 points A, B and C. B is the mean point and A and C is the extreme point. And when the bob moves from B position to A and C and back to the B, it's said to be one oscillation complete.